followers of my YouTube channel. On the previous video I have made a tutorial on how to download the satellite precipitation data. So on that video I said the downloaded data were in the form of the NetCDF file format, which is network common file form. So today I will show you how can we convert the NetCDF file format into easily accessible form of Excel form. So to do that, first the downloaded file was a zipped file. So first let's extract the file. Now the file was extracted here. So it is for 2-year data, because on the previous video just the data downloaded only for 2 years. So it says Chirp's total precipitation for daily basis with a resolution of 0.25 by 0.25 for African region, since Chirp's can cover only African regions, and for the year 2019. So this file was difficult for further analysis. So in order to easily access the data, it must be converted into just a Excel file or Excel format. So to do that, it is required to have a GIS software or an ArcMap environment and latitude and longitudes of just the stations that you want to extract satellite precipitation data. For my case here, as you seen from the screen, I have different stations. For each station they have their own latitude and longitudes. So these latitude and longitudes are key inputs to convert the NetCDF file form into just Excel form. So first we expand just the Arc toolbox into working environment, then expand two Arc toolbox environments. They are, the first one is a conversion tool and the second one is a multi-dimension tool. So this multi-dimension tool helps us to convert the NetCDF file into table view, and the conversion tool helps us to convert the table view into an Excel form. So let's first double click on the NetCDF file table view, then browse our data, which is found in download for my case. Download, then here the file, then let's convert or let's see for the year 2019, then open. Now the file was opened here, then the variable that we want to get a value was for precipitation. Also Chirp's can have only precipitation data, and here make the raw dimensions as time and dimension values as latitude and longitude. So we must enter the latitude and longitudes of the station or the location that we want to extract the precipitation data. So for my case, let's extract data for Bui station. It says its longitude was 38.55 and its latitude was 8.33. So let's enter the value. So the latitude was 8.33 and its longitude was 38.55. Then click OK. Now just the file, the NetCDF file was extracted. This is only table view. So to see the table, let's go to on the table of content and right click on the file, then open. Here is the value for 2090, which is daily data for all the months. For example, here for month 1 it is up to 31. Just for January, all months data were generated, and it is up to just December for the 12th month, which is December. Then this is a table view file. This file must be converted into just an Excel file in order to easily access the data. So also go to Arc Toolbox, then double click on the table to Excel icon. Then here find the data, which is 2090. Then the output Excel file was just the location that you want to save your file. For example, for my case, let me save on the folder D. So let's make it is for 2019. Save, then OK. Now here the table view was converted into an Excel file. Let's see the file on the D folder. So here it is almost saved. Now let's open the file. Sorry, there is another file which is opened. So double click here, and now the file was opened. So this is an Excel file which is easily accessible for further analysis. Thank you for watching me, and please share my channel to your friends. Subscribe to get more videos from my tutorial. Thank you.